Hello my friends, I know this is not a bus conversion video, but this is a water storage video. What I did on the back side of my shop here is I've put in some railroad ties here, the full length of my shop, and as you can see in the distance I have some 55-gallon HDPE grade water barrels I'm going to be putting in. So I wanted to put this video on, this portion of the video anyway, and excuse me for being a little bit out of breath, but I've been digging all morning. What I want to do is show you what I did with these railroad ties. And I put them right up against the side of the shop, and then I backfilled just below the surface of the ties, and then in the next video I'll show you that I put down some pallets, and then I'll show you how I'm going to thinking of configuring the barrels. I plan on putting in 8 barrels total, which will give me over 440 gallons of usable water in times of emergency. So this is what I've gotten done so far. This has been a plan that's been going on for quite a while. Just finally got around to getting to it. So, alright, a little bit late. So here we are with the pallets in place. A little bright, but yeah, I picked up these pallets for free. A composite engineering company in the area had them out by the road, and they said free, and I just happened to be looking for some decent pallets, so here they are. I grabbed 4 of them, and 4 of them just did the trick. According to my calculations, I should be able to get 8 barrels on this total eventually, but at right now I only have 4. So, 4 times 55 is 220. So, when everything gets put together, that's what my water storage will be. Well, this is the 4 barrels in place. I don't know if anybody's ever done any research on water storage, but on these barrels, they have 2 bungs. Yes, I said bungs. 2 bung holes. And on one side here is coarse thread, and on this side it appears to be fine thread. So you're always going to have a coarse thread and a fine thread. So when you do hook up your water channeling, which I'll do a video on later because I don't have the parts right now, you'll get a 2-inch diameter pipe thread, and you'll have to discern whether it's fine or coarse. I do believe they are fine, but I'll figure that out when I pick up the parts. I might actually pick those parts up today, since my wife wants to go to the dollar store and Home Depot is in that town. So that's where I'm at. These barrels cost me $20 a piece at a surplus retail center. They came from the alcohol distillation plant, so I probably could get them for free, but I just don't know who to talk to. Anyway, so $20 per barrel is not that bad of a deal. Figure 20 times 8 will be $160 plus another maybe $60 or $70 in parts. And I've already got the gutters, so I'll try to zoom up here. So this is what I'm going to be running the gutters off of, and then come down off that side, and then run a manifold type system across the top of these barrels. As one barrel fills up, it'll spill over into the next barrel, and then so on and so forth. And then I have a 12-volt 12-volt pump that I'm going to mount right here and put a switch on it and run all of that off of my Harbor Freight 45 watt solar panels, which are, by the way, a real good deal. I bought those and I am very pleased with them. So until I get a little further on this project, signing off for now.